Right here. Well, look, it's a card inside a card. Okay, ready?
Ready.
Do this one. What do you think? Open it up. Who's that from? Oh, those are beautiful. What are those? Addison, what are those?
White.
Butterflies! Is that from Great Grandma?
The better.
Are they so pretty?
How we know? How we know? How we know?
Do you want to put them on the window? Okay. Do you need help? Here, I'll do it one for you. These are really pretty, huh, Annie? Oh, I see how they work. Wow.
How we know?
Oh, is that pretty?
Go fly.
Go fly! They fly away! Is it pretty, Eddie?
Again.
Another one?
The one.
Here.
Go fly.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Say love you.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.